Carefully join the banana stem, then press it firmly into the rich, wet mud. A gentle spray of water reveals the initial roots beginning to emerge.
Gently washing the thick mud reveals the intricate root structure. The stem is then carefully lifted, dripping with clean water. From the carefully prepared stem and its roots, we see the promise of new life emerging from the soil. A gentle touch is all it needs.
The hand gently clears the dry fibers, allowing the young shoot access to light and air.
The same hands hold the freshly cut banana shoot, showing its clean, pale green cross-section. As the tough outer layers are peeled back, the delicate pale green interior is finally exposed, ready for preparation.
These hands have worked this land for decades. They know the precise moment the fruit is ready for harvest.
Gently inspecting the bunch, the hand selects a single, firm green banana, demonstrating the meticulous choice for freshness. A clean horizontal cut through the middle of the banana shoot will divide it into 2 equal parts for planting.
We're looking for the inner fibers, which are very strong and flexible. They can be used for weaving or making rope.
The two halves are pulled apart, revealing the pale, seedy interior of the unripe fruit.
The secret lies in the fiber of the shoot. With precision, we gently tease the strand away, careful not to break it.
With careful hands, the grafting process begins, uniting the shoot and the fruit. This method ensures stronger growth.
Fresh aloe vera is renowned for its healing properties. We carefully remove a lower leaf, revealing the pure, potent gel inside.
First, take a sharp utility knife and carefully slice the aloe vera leaf lengthwise down the center. This reveals the clear, nutrient-rich gel inside. The aloe vera leaf is carefully sliced lengthwise, exposing the clear, viscous gel. One section is then meticulously...
Gently press the freshly cut aloe directly onto the banana. Hold it firmly to ensure the gel makes contact with the fruit before lifting.
First, place the fresh aloe vera leaf directly onto the banana shoot like this. Then apply a small amount of toothpaste.
The packaging is designed for freshness. Simply open the top flap and slide out the tube of Colgate protection.
Here we see the precise moment the ultra-realistic striped paste meets the moist fibers of the banana shoot under cinematic light.
Apply the toothpaste evenly across the cut surface of the banana shoot, ensuring complete coverage. The enzymes work best when fully spread. Apply the toothpaste evenly across the cut surface of the banana shoot. Make sure it is fully covered before holding it up like this.
Ensure the toothpaste creates a perfectly smooth seal along the junction. Once applied, hold the combined piece up for inspection.
To ensure the banana shoot and green banana remain securely attached, carefully wrap the joint with black electrical tape.
We continue to tightly wrap the black electrical tape around the joint of the banana shoot and the green banana, ensuring a firm connection. To ensure a lasting connection, stretch the tape tightly. Each layer must overlap the last, creating a weatherproof seal that won't fail.
The same hands continue to wrap the black electrical tape around the joint, making the final adjustments to ensure it is tightly sealable.
The utility knife is used by a South Asian woman's hands to cut the black electrical tape, completing the secure binding.
The green banana must be securely fastened to the shoot using clear tape before being placed gently on the cutting board.
Observe the contrast. The tough green exterior gives way to the tender, ripe yellow banana beneath.
A utility knife is used to make a clean, horizontal cut through the middle of the yellow banana, dividing it into two halves.
Begin by meticulously hollowing the center of the banana half. Next, take the toothpaste and carefully
The banana shoot with the taped green banana is carefully inserted into the hollowed out yellow banana half.
Next, take the utility knife and carefully make a clean horizontal cut through the center of the banana and the thick shoot.
Captured in ultra-high resolution, the segmented fruit reveals its intricate structure, still drawing life from the main shoot.
The journey begins with the careful selection of a healthy banana shoot. Then, we prepare the soil, ensuring the perfect foundation for growth.
He continues to scoop the loose soil with the trowel, carefully filling the brown pot.
Press the soil down firmly but gently. Then, use your fingers to create a small indentation in the center for the seed.
To give the new life a head start, we crack the shell directly into the richest soil, releasing the nutrients exactly where they are needed.
Now we mix the egg and milk into the soil, stirring thoroughly until a thick paste forms.
The soil, egg, and milk are mixed with a fork to create a nutrient-rich medium. Then the banana shoot and attach.
To secure the banana shoot, gently yet firmly pack the rich soil around the base, ensuring stability for healthy growth.
With the soil gently packed, the young plant receives its first drink of water, essential for its growth in the warm sunlight.
The dry soil is first sprayed with a fine mist of water. Then, the plant is carefully lifted in its pot.
Once the soil is firmly packed around the base, the final step is a thorough watering to help the new banana plant settle in.
As the water soaks in, press the soil down firmly, removing any air pockets around the delicate roots.
First, gently press the soil around the base to secure the plant. Then, apply a steady mist of water.
Once the soil is moist, apply gentle pressure around the base of the stem to ensure the plant is secure in its new home.
Packing the soil firmly ensures the roots are secure. Follow this immediately with a thorough watering, ensuring the moisture penetrates deep into the earth.
Gently but firmly, she compacts the soil around the young banana plant, ensuring proper aeration as the water begins to soak in.
Gently but firmly, he secures the base of the young banana plant. Once the soil is settled, a fine mist of water ensures the roots are deeply hydrated.
Spray the water evenly until the rich, dark soil is saturated. Then, carefully press the earth around.
Gently pressing the soil secures the young plant, followed by a thorough watering to encourage strong root growth.
Watering the soil thoroughly is the first step. 7 days later, we can already see the remarkable progress of this young banana shoot.
To witness this growth, to feel the new life unfurling, is a profound connection to the earth.
Tapa. The hand gently caresses the stem and leaves, tracing the intricate veins.
The hands. In the quiet of the evening sun, he tends the soil, ensuring the new growth takes firm hold.
The man gently presses the soil around the base of the delicate banana plant, ensuring its stability.
She gently presses the rich, dark soil around the young banana plant. A fine mist of
Watering young plants requires a delicate touch. A fine mist ensures the soil is moistened evenly before it is gently compacted.
Pressing the soil gently yet firmly provides the stability the young plant needs. Then, a careful watering ensures the roots take hold in their new home.
A gentle touch and ample water are crucial for the young plant. This rich, dark soil provides the perfect foundation for growth.
She gently presses the soil around the young banana plant, ensuring the roots are secure. A careful spray of
The banana plant is a versatile crop, and it's essential that it gets enough water, especially during the dry season. First, ensure the soil is deeply saturated with water. Then, using the hoe, carefully clear the debris and gently patting the soil secures the young sprout. A fine mist provides the necessary moisture for healthy growth.
A gentle touch secures the young roots, followed by a nourishing mist that awakens the earth, preparing it for growth.
Every life begins small, a fragile hope needing warmth and a gentle hand to guide it towards the sun.
Smoothing the rich, dark soil ensures the young seedling has a strong foundation. A gentle
Lomos. With practiced hands, he prepares the rich soil. A gentle mist.
Fetuses. The narrator's voice should be clear and engaging, guiding the listener through the scene as the young man carefully rearranges the bricks.
The banana plant, often mistaken for a tree, is in fact the largest herb in the world. Its leaves can grow massive in the right conditions.
The vibrant green of the healthy banana plant was a source of quiet joy, a testament to a lifetime spent nurturing the earth. She inspects the soil, the foundation of this towering growth. The rich earth provides the nutrients essential for the fruit's development.
The woman looks up at the healthy, green leaves of the banana plant, smiling with satisfaction at its robust growth.